Hey everybody, it's me Tesla here. Whoa! Oh. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. Woo! Welcome back everybody. You all know me. I'm a hater of Meat Spin Kevin. That's right. I think he's a freaking grifting degenerate and he has no idea how to pick stocks. But he picked Tesla. He's so smart. He put 40% of his portfolio in one overvalued bubble stock. Buy his course now. I can't wait for his utter annihilation. I just can't wait to see him obliterated. You see, he makes his money from his courses and his promos and his stupid ad revenue. He latches on to the latest trends, the newest, hottest stocks, infrastructure bills, cryptocurrency, whatever he's got to do to get the clicks. He doesn't care about you. He cares about generating as much wealth for himself as humanly possible. Now, in this video, I'm holding him accountable for his amazing stock picks because he sells himself as a genius. He knows so much about picking stocks. He picked Tesla, bro. Guess what? He's a freaking loser. Now here in this video, August 27, 2021, I just invested $1 million that I made from selling courses into these 3 stoics. Now, all of his videos are about selling courses, okay? And if you get sucked in by his BS and you buy the stocks he tells you to buy, but don't sue me, bro, you're gonna get sued, loser. He charges you $954 plus tax for stocks and the psychology of money. Now, let's see what amazing stock picks you get from Meat Breath Kevin if you buy his course, because he just knows so much. He's able to charge you almost $1,000. Not quite $1,000, but almost $1,000. And here he is, a CPA. What a freaking loser. Giving a review. I'm a CPA. Come on, dude. You should freaking know better. Disgusting. Anyway, let's watch this video. No, we're not going to watch the whole thing. I can't stand watching this freaking slimy, fake, freaking governor of California PR stunt. Loser. Let's see his intro, and then let's look at the stoinks, and then let's see how they perform since August 27, because he's a genius.
Everyone, me, Kevin here. All right.
Everybody, me, Kevin here.
We've got 3 stocks that we have to talk about. Y'all know that I've been really big on RCC for the past, maybe 2 months-ish here.
Yeah, his freaking investing strategy changes every 5 days. Unlike mine, which is match your tax advantage accounts and buy total world stock market index funds. Now, tomorrow, next year, next decade, next 2 decades, next century, mother effer. That's all you gotta do. Live below your means, max tax advantage accounts. But you can listen to this freaking loser underperform the market and pick garbage stocks. And for the privilege of doing that, you get to pay him $954. What a freaking degenerate. I'm so sick of this guy. Why don't you come on my channel, Kevin? Let's have a debate. Let's compare my philosophy to yours. See who wins.
Been selling off some call options. I've been selling puts, but I haven't actively been buying heavily until, well, this week. And the reason for that is I see 3 interesting opportunities in the market, and we're going to talk about all 3 of those.
Interesting opportunities. So he sells all his options. You know, he pays freaking short-term capital gains. At least 50% of his money goes to tax. State, federal, maybe local. I don't know if they have a local tax in California. And the net investment income tax. But taxes don't matter, bro. Let's see his first hot stock. And this is the best performing stock. Affirm.
Sliding down in other stocks. Big buys over here May 12th. As usual, every time I buy or sell, I post alerts in that Stocks and Psychology of Money group. But anyway,
try see the sales pitch there.
I now am interested in Affirm. I've been tracking Affirm and watching the pain of Affirm for quite a while.
And then it went up, and then I decided to buy. So the first stock he's talking about is Affirm. Now, I'll give him credit. This stock didn't plummet massively. His other 2 did. This stock is like flat, okay? But basically, from what I remember, the stock massively exploded. And then with his excellent analysis, the stock went up. He decided to buy it. I don't know how much he put into it. A third of the million? I don't know. First stock's Affirm. Let's go look. So he bought on August 27th, or well, he made the. I don't know if he bought it before or after, but basically you can. I don't know if you can see it that well. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. You can see the stock freaking exploded. Okay, I don't know if he got lucky and he bought right before, or if he caused the explosion. No, I don't think he did that. But basically the stock went up, so he bought it. And then it had this massive freaking run. Look at it. It ran up all the way to $168. Holy crap. I think it was a high of 176. Jesus. And then, of course, it freaking sold off because it's a freaking stupid growth stock. Is it profitable? No. Negative 113% net profit margin. But he's me, Kevin. He knows everything. Now the stock's trading at 72. So if you had invested when Meat Breath told you to, basically, he put out the video, and then it shot up. You would have been down 20 bucks on your stock. Wow, Meat Breath. He got in early, but he still didn't make a lot of money. So that's his first hot stock, Affirm. He's totally right. Just give him $954. Let's see his next stock, Meat Breath. Oh, you're going to like this one.
They're building the payments into this price. They're taking the payment processing. So this is kind of like investing in Visa. But then they're also getting the interest. So it's very much like investing in a credit card company, convenient as PTON. Bag fully on PayPal. But I think PayPal doesn't have the growth.
Oh my God. Okay, so remember he bought Peloton stock? Now, if you look at Peloton stock, he was buying it, I don't know when, probably all the way back here, because it shot up during the pandemic. And when the stock goes up, it keeps going up. So if you bought right around the time that Meat Breath told you to, he's always shilling Peloton, it was $104. Now it's $32. Good job, Meat Breath. Stock number 2, Peloton. All right, let's see his last stock. Oh, Owlette. Jesus Christ. What happened to Owlette? What was it, 10 bucks back then? Let's see where Owlette's at now. Owlette stock. Oh my God. Another amazing Meat Breath stock, okay? So apparently it plummeted. It was at $5.95 when he made this video. It dipped. You just gotta buy the dip, guys. Now it's at $2.24. The dip can keep dipping, okay? Another freaking Meat Breath shill. Oh, look at the profit margin. Negative 100%. I think he tries to find the worst freaking profit margins, and that's the stocks that he picks. It's the future, bro. Owlette. So, we have Affirm that's flat. Most of his investors probably lost money. Owlette got freaking annihilated. Peloton, freaking annihilation. And let's look at his last stock, okay? You know what it is. It's lemonade, bro.
115, 120 range. That's a good time to sell covered calls or sell your call options on it if you have. I personally think with this market going into this like risk on movement, I think there's a potential for Lemonade to have some juice. Let's go into, I'm just going to do trends really quick. The reason I think
watch this analysis.
Lemonade is also very interesting. Oh, I forgot earlier this week, we also bought an October call option on Lemonade, and that thing
how'd that treat you, nutsack?
Printed attendees like so fast. I bought like an $70,000 option. It was up like $25,000
and then you paid half in tax, loser.
The very next day. I said in our course member live stream, I'm like, dump it, just dump it. Don't be like me. And I remember saying that, like, you could go back and look at this evidence too. I'm like, don't be like me, don't be greedy. Dump it, dump it, dump it. I was greedy.
You're not greedy, you're educating people on stocks. You're not grifting, Meat Breath. Not at all.
It ended up going to like $12,000 up. It was still $12,000 up. I'm like, okay.
Anyway,
it's okay.
He tries to be, like, he's not personable. He's very fake. I can see right through it. I don't know if you can see it, but he's very slimy. He's like a used car salesman.
This is what's crazy here. And insurance is a lower margin business, but Lemonade is a very, very smart company. Okay, watch this. So Root Insurance, they do car insurance, and their search trends over, if you go to the past 5 years, their search trends doing pretty well. You've got a nice uptrend here, but it's not perfect, okay? Not perfect. But if you type in Lemonade Insurance, right now they're getting popular off pet insurance. I kid you not, pet insurance and renter's insurance. They're right here, just below Root Insurance. They're growing at a faster rate in the Google Trends, and they don't even have the car insurance yet, which is crazy.
He is such a genius. All you have to do is look at Google Trends. Now, it was August 27th when he made this. And, it printed tendies. Let's see what it was at. August 27th. 76. What's it at now, ladies and gentlemen? $35 freaking dollars. Wow. Every freaking stock, except for Affirm, where he got lucky. And it's flat. It's not even like he made them tendies. Every single one of his stocks that he shilled, because he's such a genius, are down like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80%. Why do you listen to this freaking loser? How can you sleep at night buying these freaking stocks, okay? I'm going to keep making videos on this loser. Number one, because he has a huge channel. And the more I talk about him, the more people see me. And the more I can spread the Boglehead philosophy. But how can you possibly listen to this idiot, okay? We had a bull market, printing tendies, stimmy checks, lower interest rates, people could borrow, buy on margin with basically nothing. And boom, stocks went up massively. And he looked like a genius because he bought La Tesla. But look at this now. Is he a genius? No, he's not. He's a freaking moron, okay? He picks a bunch of companies that are massively on profit. Another over negative 100%. Let's look at these freaking profit margins. Negative 185%. Oh, Peloton, negative 46%. Wow, that's not that bad. Affirm, negative 113. Owlette, negative 109. Negative 100%. They lost more money than they made in freaking revenue. These are the stocks this freaking loser is pumping on you. Jesus Christ. Anyway, that's it. This guy's a freaking moron. Unsubscribe from his channel. I'm subscribed so I can track him. Don't buy his stupid freaking grift course with the Cybertruck that I don't know when that's coming out. And don't freaking listen to him. He's a freaking loser. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Y'all have a wonderful night. Cheers!